We're finally here and dito na tayo guys sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces and we're officially open pare. This is our main showroom dito sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces. Parang ganda dito sa totoo lang, di ba? Parang nahihiya akong pumasok dito na naka-t-shirt no? And as you think that we're done expanding guys, we have actually something coming in your way. May pasabog lang akong gagawin. May pasabog kaming papakita sa inyo. Which is, what's up guys? Another watch, another day. We're finally here and dito na tayo guys sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces and we're officially open pare. Guys, i-walk through ko kayo syempre dito sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces kasi kakatapos na ng construction. May mga konti pa tayong kailangan gawin pero nonetheless, within 1 week tapos na to lahat. So here is where the 31 by Gentry Timepieces starts. Wala lang dito pa yung signage natin pero darating na yan within the week. Sorry guys, nakaayos ako. May event kasi akong pupuntahan. Sakto, I decided to do the walkthrough today. Yan, di ba? Bagay pa sa lounge. Bagay sa lounge. Ganito daw yung mga formahan dito, pre. Alright, so here we have 31 by Gentry Timepieces. Makikita niyo, see-through naman siya. Ayan, kitang-kita siya guys. We are at the corner of 9th Avenue and 31st Street. Kaya 31 yung pinangalan natin, okay? Halika kayo. So here is another view ng 31 by Gentry Timepieces. Ayan guys. This ang lapit lang nito. Andun lang yung High Street. This is the 30th floor. Andun yung Seda. Ayan. So syempre, hindi pwedeng nasa labas lang. Syempre, halika, pasok kayo sa loob. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Ay!
Ayan. Yun, good afternoon. Kamusta? So here we are at 31 by Gentry Timepieces. Bango, di ba?
Bango.
Powered by High Essence yan, pare. So here, syempre, paring Relit nandito, the manager. Oh, tingnan mo. And then, of course, we have...
Hello, welcome to 31 by Gentry.
Yan, so she is our barista actually here. Ang magsaserve sa mga clients natin ng mga done deal coffees nila. When you go here, eto, meron tayo. This is our waiting area and a mini lounge para dun sa mga nag-aantay. And of course, we do our done deals then in this small area dito. Very cozy, very nice guys. Classic lang siya. We have here, may Rolex tayo. Siyempre, nakabang tayo. The speakers. And then here we have naman, this is our main showroom dito sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces. So as you go in, you will be greeted by this beautiful and soft carpet. And of course, meron tayo dito ang paikot kung saan naka-display ang mga brand new natin and unworn ng mga Rolexes. Here we have yung mga GMT natin. And dito, meron tayo yung mga capsule. So these capsules, these hold yung mga napakaganda natin ng mga relo, okay? One is we have here ang ating Sky Dweller. This is the Sky Dweller na full gold on Jubilee bracelet. Very new pa to guys, nakakalabas lang nito. We also have here the Land Dweller, of course. The most sought after ngayon kasi pinakabagong model ni Rolex nakakalabas. We have our full GMT na lineup for here. All sports watch GMTs, of course. As you go here, we have all the Richard Milles here. Ayan, 3 Richard Milles we have. We have other sports models here. We have the Explorer lineup naman. Lahat brand new dito guys, especially sa mga Rolexes. On the other hand naman, yung mga Pateks natin, yung mga Richard Milles, mga APs natin, we do have mga pre-owned dito. Pero sa mga Rolexes natin, mostly, especially mga under na 3 million are all brand new. As we go here, syempre, we're greeted. Pare, Kuya G, kamusta?
Okay.
How are you? Si Ma'am Annie pala, Ma'am Annie. Ma'am Annie is one of the sales representative natin dito sa 31 by Gentry Timepieces. Si Kuya G, ulit, Kuya G. Di ba? Sir G. Ang yabang pare, nakita mo? Yan ang team natin ng Gentry, BGC pare. We have here our very nice, very sought after, may ladies tayo. Meron tayong mga perpetual calendars. We do have 2 perpetual calendars here. One is AP and one is the Patek Philippe. Okay, here we have naman yung mga Daytonas natin, lineup of the Daytonas. We have 2 Platonas pa dito. May mga Oyster Flex tayo na Daytona. Here naman yung lineup natin ng mga Oyster Perpetual natin na 41mm. Here may mga Tiffany Blue tayo, may Pistachio tayo, may Med Blue, may Black. These are all the new upcoming ng Rolexes, alright? Parang ganda dito sa totoo lang, di ba? Parang nahihiya akong pumasok dito na naka-t-shirt no? So very official guys, very nice. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang linis. Shout out kay Cleanworks, our official partner natin ng cleaning yan. Grabe, everyday halos sila andito just to clean everything, make sure everything is neat and dust-free as we open our 31 by Gentry Timepieces. We also have Airmasters. What they did is they made sure the humidity here is very controlled. So kahit actually uminit dito, hindi ka pagpapawisan dahil. And also, of course, all the merchandise are safe from humid. Alright? And then, kung makikita mo sa salamin, ayan, nakikita tayo ng mga tao sa labas. Transparent siya di ba? Pero pare, meron tayong trick dito, On push of a button, di mo, di ba? Transparent yan, pare. Push button. Of course, para sa privacy ng clients natin. So, if we have clients here who'd like to get their watches and they don't want people outside seeing them, then, press of a button, pare. Private tayo.
Tingnan.
Isa pa? Wala namang client, di ba? Saan natin? Ayun. Parang painting. Alright. Alright, as we go here naman, naliga, pasok kayo. Papakita ko lang sa inyo, here we have our hallway going back here. Of course, paintings, shout out kay Sir Glenn. Maraming salamat. And as we go here, we have our toilet. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, shout out pala kay Kanzen Home. Grabe, kinanzenized daw. Ano yun? Sabi, ganun daw yun eh. So we have here our smart smart toilet. Ano nakita mo? We have our smart bins. And very nice, very cozy. Small lang siya, but you know, to get our clients to refresh themselves. Very nice. We have here our back office naman. Hello, hi Andre, say hi.
Hello, hello.
Yan,
Hello,
yun
guys.
si Andre pare oh. Ang sipag. Dito may mga Dandil hoodies, andun na, mga stocks pare yan para sa client. O syempre, sa lahat ng sulok meron tayong high essence to keep the smell of the shop very fresh, okay? So as we go inside here we have naman our coffee bar. Alright, so here's where we do our Dundil coffees pare. So here's our mini bar with small pantry. Actually marami pang aayusin dito. We'll put it like a fully functional bar siya dito for our clients to enjoy. We have here our small conference meeting room per se. Pare oh, nakita mo, akala mo painting yan, di ba? Ganda. Pero hindi yan painting pare oh. Uy! Oh, di ba?
TV nga.
TV. Para may projector tayo if you want to do something, di ba? Ganda, di ba? Ayan, pwede rin mamili dito. Anong gusto mo? Punta tayo kay Van Gogh. Si Starry Night, pare. Sikat yung Starry Night yun. Set on frame natin. Tingnan. Ayan. Nag-iba na agad yung painting, pare. Nakita mo? Kinaganda dito. Hindi kami basta-basta. So here, of course, we have our coffee machine, our working area, the beans. So we have, of course, meron tayong grinder dito. And of course, siyempre, may high essence na naman para mabango daw eh. Mabango daw talaga eh. Alam kasi ng mga clients yan. With luxury, we're calling about luxury. Siyempre, dapat may high essence tayo dyan. Ayun, this is the 31 by Gentry timepieces, guys. I hope you liked it because we have really exerted a lot of effort. Actually, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi marami pa tayong lalagay dito. We still don't have the mga centerpieces natin, yung mga quantum plants natin, and yung mga art pieces. We have the bunker. The bunker will be displayed here sa mga gusto and mga very interested dun sa bunker natin na Volt watch winder natin na bulletproof. We will also have it here as a display for you guys to check out. Then, if you really want to come here and set an appointment, go to 31 by Gentry timepieces. May page na tayo for this one. You can message that page to book an appointment. And of course, if meron kayong mga watches na gusto, we do pre-orders on all types of watches then. Alright?
Saka walk-ins ha. Di lang by appointment. Pwede dito.
Walk-ins, appointment, kasi we have here first set of clients. Pare, napaka-cozy dito. Ano pa dito, makikita mo kung bagay sa'yo, no? As you enter, of course, you're greeted by, of course, manager natin, si paring Relit. And you're welcomed with a welcome drink din dito. And then as you do the deal, eventually, Dandil coffee, di ba?
Kompleto dito.
Kompleto. Dandil hoodie ka na, may Dandil coffee ka pa dito.
Parang naabangan nata nila ditong vlogger, si Kuya G eh. Possibility, may possibility.
Tsaka guys, ganun yan, no?
Box yan ah.
Box to.
Sa lahat ng may gusto ng box sa akin kayo lumapit.
Tingnan mo yung smart bin natin dito pa. Matalino yan, gaganon ka lang. Teneng! Tatapon mo na yung gusto mo. Yun! Oy! Thank you! Oh, may welcome drink pa ako pare. Nakita mo yun? Hindi mo yung may ilaw pare. Tingnan mo. Oy! May ilaw talaga. Kasama daw talaga yan eh, no? Experience!
Pagpasok, we'll be serving that together with water. And after the deal, mga bumili, Dandil coffee naman.
We also have here actually, when it comes to parking naman, wala kayong problema kasi here, meron tayong parking. This is the parking C dito, just across yung sa Seda natin na hotel. It's just here guys, napakalaking open parking. And nonetheless, also Ore Tower has also pay parking para doon sa mga gusto mong park. They can also park here sa Ore Tower. Doon naman sa mga walang driver, no problem guys, if you can hit us up, come here as long as dito ang drop-off natin, the 31st Street, dito kayo sa 31st Street, bumaba, we can have you assisted with our valet services. Okay, may valet services din tayo. Pwede natin i-park for you yung kotse nyo para hindi kayo mahirapan. Baba lang kayo dito and then you come here and relax na kayo agad. Here in 31 by Gentry Times, we're really selling you the experience. We'll try to give you the best service possible. Not only that guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. Nasa Waze na rin kami, 31 by Gentry Timepieces. We're available in Waze sa Maps. You can check it out. Pin nyo lang 31 by Gentry Timepieces BGC. Dito na yon, dito kayo bababa. As you all know, we just opened the 31 by Gentry Timepieces. And as you think that we're done expanding, guys, we have actually something coming in your way. And it will be announced this October 9. Kaya abangan nyo guys. May pasabog lang akong gagawin. May pasabog kaming papakita sa inyo. Which is the next phase ng Gentry timepieces. Kaya I'll see you on October 9, guys. Abangan nyo, ang dami namin pasabog, guys. So, I'll also see you in 3 days. 3 days na lang, guys, ha. Gentry Open will start na. I'll see you sa CSA Bulacan, guys. Hope to see you all there. Ang ganda nun. The first ever biggest tournament ng tennis dito. And the first ever Gentry Open, 2025 yan. 2026, of course, mauulit to. Pero, napakaganda. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari dito sa Gentry Open 2025. And marami rin tayong mga parakol dito sa Gentry 2025, ha. Kaya I'll see you guys there. Ayun, magsaya tayo.